Hi, my name is Jørgen. Welcome to our AD Neovo booth at the ISE show. Find us in Hall 4 at B130. This year we are really proud to introduce our latest generation of our QX series. It's a series that actually provides so many features we haven't been able to offer before. This time we have a 4-split, 4 options of inputs, and we even have still, of course, our patented glass front of Neovo that has an IK08 strength. The monitor is not vandalism proof, but it's really, really strong. On top of that, we have designed new features, so you could adjust the backlight, you could adjust inputs quite easily by either a Neovo keypad or our knob. These things make it quite versatile for security installations, for digital signage, and also for marine installations. Should you have a vessel you would like to have a really low backlight, you could turn the backlight down as low as 2 nits. Quite unique feature for this market segment. And if you come here, we will show you our 2 monitors in the 55-inch, but they are available in 27, 32, 43, and 55. Again, please come and visit us at our booth B130 in Hall 4. We look forward to meet you all.